Okay, so today we've put a Sigma S30 Thatcham Category 1 insurance approved alarm and immobiliser on this very nice 1956 Aston Martin DB2. The vehicle's got, didn't obviously come with central locking from factory, but it's got some door motors in the doors now, which we've linked to the alarm, so we can remotely lock and unlock the vehicle. But when the system's armed, it's Thatcham Category 1, so the immobiliser automatically arms when you leave the vehicle. You see we've put the LED in the factory, little factory position there, so it looks nice and OE. Down the bottom there you've got emergency override touch key panel, so if you lose your remote control or your remote control fails, your battery goes flat, you can disarm the system using a PIN code. You'll see now if we try and start the car, so that's the ignition on, push to start. So you push to start's not a new thing. Push to start, won't start, okay? So simply what we do, once we've got the ignition on, to deactivate the immobiliser, press the button like so. We'll try push to start again. There we go. Apart from the sticky starter motor. There we go. Car starts and runs, okay. Lovely. And then we turn it off, and the LED will give us an indication that it's gone into automatic rearm. So after 60 seconds or so, the immobiliser will rearm itself. It doesn't arm the alarm unless you remotely lock it, press the button, which we'll do here. So if we go around the front, obviously no indicators on this car, being 1956, so well, press the button there. Got visual indicators, visual indication on the side and tail lights that the system's armed. Same to disarm. So we put it on the disarm. Got a little flash there, and as you heard, the door motor's locked in place there. So that's our system armed. Doors locked. Doors unlocked. There you go. Thatcham Category 1 alarm and immobiliser, insurance approved. Ideal for a classic car such as this. Get in touch if you need any further information. There's the number there. 0330 010 0506. Thanks for watching.